Meaning of cynical. Cynical. Cynical.
Cynical. Cynical. Cynical is an adjective that describes someone who has a negative or distrustful view of human nature and motives. A cynical person tends to believe that people are motivated purely by self-interest rather than altruism, and may be skeptical of the actions and intentions of others. Cynicism can also refer to an overall attitude of jadedness or disillusionment with the world, often characterized by a lack of enthusiasm or hopefulness. In general, being cynical is seen as a negative trait that can lead to pessimism, apathy, and a general lack of trust in others.